School is starting and we're turning the hallways into your runway. In today's video, we're covering everything you need for the ultimate back-to-school glow-up. From a flawless skincare routine to easy hairstyles, from aesthetic backpack packing to stylish outfit prep. This is your one-stop guide to looking and feeling your best. So grab your snacks, daisies, and let's glow up together. What we'll cover today: skincare glow-up tips, hair ideas for school, outfit uniform hacks, aesthetic backpack packing, confidence boosters. Let's get into it. Hey Daisies, welcome back to Glowbee, your safe space for all things glow up and aesthetic. Today we're leveling up your back-to-school routine so you can walk in like the main character you are. Trust me, it's not just about looks, it's about feeling your best self. Let's make this school year your most confident and glowing one yet. Third, skincare. Glow up. Step 1 to glowing up? Skincare, because we're not about that flaky, tired skin life. Unless you're auditioning for a zombie movie. Which, I mean, goals? Steps. Gentle cleanser. Clean your canvas. Use a gentle face wash to refresh your skin without stripping it. Lightweight moisturizer. Think of this as a hug for your face. It seals in all the goodness. Sunscreen. Non-negotiable. Even if your classroom only has fluorescent lights, SPF is your bestie. And voila! Skin so fresh, your crush might just ask what you're doing differently. Don't worry, your secret is safe with me. 4. Hair glow up. Hair can make or break your vibe. I mean, who hasn't had a bad hair day that felt like the end of the world? Let's fix that. Hairstyles. Sleek ponytail. Add a little hair gel to keep flyaways in check. Bonus, looks like you have your life together, even if you don't. Heatless waves. Perfect for the night before. Twist your hair into braids, sleep, and wake up looking like you stepped out of a shampoo ad. Bubble braids. Because why settle for boring when you can be iconic? 5. Outfit / uniform prep. If you've got a uniform, don't worry. Accessories are your glow-up cheat code. If not, let's build an outfit that says, "I'm here to slay algebra." Tips. Uniform styling. Add personality with cute socks, a dainty necklace, or a pastel cardigan. Non-uniform. Pick comfy yet chic pieces. Neutral pants, pastel tops, and sneakers never fail. 6. Backpack packing. Packing your bag doesn't have to feel like a chore. Let's make it aesthetic so you actually want to carry it. What to pack? Essentials. Notebooks, planner, pastel pens, because matching stationery makes everything better. Glow-up kit. Mini lip balm, a scrunchie, hand cream, and don't forget snacks. Fuel is important for looking and feeling great. Water bottle. Because hydrated skin equals glowing skin. Overpack if you must, but don't forget the snacks. Priorities. 7. Final touches. The secret to glowing confidence? Small details. A light mist of perfume, a swipe of tinted lip balm, and boom, you're ready to conquer the day. 8. Motivation and pep talk. Daisies, remember, a glow-up isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling amazing and walking into school like the queen or king you are. Own your vibe, stay confident, and don't forget to smile. You've got this. Thanks for glowing up with me today. Let me know in the comments. What's your top back-to-school essential? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a glow-up moment. See you next time, Daisies.